Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to do a chemistry experiment, and I have my dad helping me.
Hey guys, so this is Kinsley. We're going to do a chemistry experiment from Mel Chemistry right there. Alright, and so now that we've already opened it up, got it all open, we're going to go over some important safety requirements and make sure you have adult supervision.
You can have 2 or 1.
You have 1 or 2 or 3 adults, it doesn't matter. Let's see here. Alright, so how to act in the chemistry lab. Keep in mind that your desk will turn into a chemical lab table during your experiment. So please follow these important guidelines. Do not keep food or drinks at your lab table. Do we have any food or drinks at our lab table?
Right here.
Oh, okay, go put it up. Secondly, work carefully and do not rush. Do not work unless someone is present to supervise you. Even trained chemists cannot conduct experiments alone in the lab. Clean your workbench thoroughly after every experiment. All right, so we're gonna go through and safety requirements. It says we need to wear safety protective glasses for this, and we're going to, for the first part, we're going to wear some safety gloves. So now in this kit, there's 2 different sizes of safety glasses. There's an adult and a small. I think that one's the small, it looks like. All right, let's put them on. How do we look?
Good.
We look cool?
Yeah.
All right, safety first. Tell them, Kinsley.
Safety first.
All right. All right, all right, all right. All right, so the next thing we got to do is we got to get everything out of this box right here. This is your starter kit, okay? So they got cups, they got a little flask here, a little funnel here. What else they got?
I think this is made out of glass.
Yeah, so
don't drop it.
So don't drop it. What happens if you drop glass?
Well, it'll shatter and you can maybe step on it and then you can hurt yourself.
Exactly, so you gotta be careful. Now this is a cool little box. I think it's where we're gonna start our fire experiment. We're gonna open it up like so. Okay, now, so for the first experiment, it's called But Will It Burn? Igniting iron. So you think iron doesn't burn? We're gonna find out. So safety, put protective eyewear on. Check. Check.
Check.
Conduct the experiment on the plastic tray. Plastic tray.
Check.
Check. Put it down. Ooh, keep a bowl of water nearby during the experiment. We'll use a bowl of water.
Let's go and get one.
Okay. Go get a bowl of water.
I'm gonna get one.
Okay. So we're probably gonna need more water. Keep flammable materials away and hair. Kinsley, is your hair in a ponytail?
No.
Okay, we need to get it put in a ponytail.
Okay, I got it out of water.
Okay.
There you go.
All right. We're gonna put this on the experiment tray. We have water, so we can put out the fire. What else?
Put my hair in a ponytail.
Go get you a rubber band, silly Willy. Let's see, what else? Place the stove on the cork hot pot stand. Do not touch the stove after experiment. Wait until it cools down. Okay. Okay, all right, all right.
Daddy, could you put it in my hair?
Yeah.
Got 2.
Got to. Okay. Let's just do this one. Turn around. Turn. Let's get all your hair back. Guys, you want to get all the girls or guys, both of y'all, if you got long hair, what do you want to do?
Put your hair in a ponytail.
Exactly, because you don't want your hair to catch on fire, because that's not cool.
It can burn off.
Yeah, I can burn off. Okay, so this experiment looks better in the dark. Interesting. So do we need to shut the blinds and turn off the lights?
I'm going.
Okay.
This is how.
Good. Okay. Yep. And see if you can shut those blinds over there.
Okay.
Nope. You can pull those little cords over there.
Okay.
Nope. All the way that way.
Yes.
Pull the shorter one.
Sure.
pull. Good job. All right. Now that we got some dim lighting, steel wool. Step number 2. Steel wool, also known as iron wool, is made of fine iron threads. Fluff the wool up a little bit to make it easier for oxygen to access the iron. So, all right, so the element symbol Fe. All right, we got our steel iron wool. Oh, we need gloves on.
Is there 2? Because
Yeah. Let's see, there's 2. You put one on, I'll put one on.
they're gonna use one hand. So I don't know how to put it on.
They're tough. Might be designed for kids only. I think these are a little on the small side for daddy. So you're gonna put them both on.
I need
Here, put your hand in here.
my hand is.
Put your fingers.
I
There you
can't.
go.
Okay.
Put your thumb. Put your finger. There we go.
It isn't on in the foot. Okay. Now I just have to get this one. Okay. Now this one.
Now that one. Where's your thumb? There's your thumb. Okay, so we need to turn the glove around, right? Sometimes it might be easier to blow in them. Alright, thumb. That way. There we go. Get your fingers down in there. Alright, can you work it? Can you work it? Okay. Alright, so Daddy isn't going to touch this, but I'm going to cut it for Kinsley here, Kinsley's YouTube channel. Alright. Alright, grab that wool out of there and you're going to stick it right in there, right in the stove. Alright, now it also says to fluff the wool as shown, so you want to sort of fluff it out, expand it out.
I whipped it apart a little bit.
Oh, don't rip it apart. You just want to fluff it. Okay? Alright. So put the iron wool in your stove.
There.
Alright, so we got it in the stove. Good. Oh, they didn't tell us. Now they tell us. You need some aluminum foil. Let me get some foil. Good thing we cooked some hot dogs and Zumo sausage earlier. We had the foil handy. All right, pull that out. There we go. All right, put the foil back. All right.
There we go.
All right, now that we got that done, now we have to light it on fire now, okay? So we have one of these little fire sticks, but before you do that, what do you gotta do? We gotta take off the gloves.
Take off.
Yep, take off the gloves when dealing with fire, plastic gloves when dealing with fire. The plastic will melt to your skin.
I'm hiding it. That way the gloves don't burn on fire.
Yeah, let's see here.
I'm going to hide it under the box.
Okay. Alright, so we're going to, we got this little stick, we're gonna light on fire. Make sure y'all have adult supervision. Kinsley, set back a little bit, okay? Alright, so let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
It's smoking. I thought it'd catch on fire more. Did I do something wrong here? Does it stink?
Mm-hmm. But I think a little bit. But it isn't really. Look, it's burning the stick.
It's burning the stick, yeah. The fire travels fire down the stick. So let's see here.
You kind of burned that piece off.
Yeah.
I think we might just have to use that.
Well,
Might be easier to use that.
I don't know what the point of that was, but it wasn't real impressive. Were you impressed, Kinsley?
Yes, no, maybe so.
Well, but will it burn? So, you think iron doesn't burn? Yeah, sort of burns. It burned real well, in my opinion. Alright, so what's the next one? Next one is... Oh, this is a little bit more...
Can I throw away the stick?
No, you gotta put out the stick. You always put the stick in the water, so...
Oh.
So, go ahead and put it in there. We're gonna make sure we get it out. Go ahead and just leave it in there for now. There you go. Alright. So, the next experiment. We need liquid soap. Is liquid soap?
I don't know.
Okay, well, go turn on the lights because now we can use some lights. Alright.
Wait, one more light. This way. I'm pulling this way.
No, that's fine. Leave that one shut. You got your safety glasses on? Always wear your safety glasses.
I couldn't see it.
Well, let's see here. Alright, for the next experiment, we got liquid soap. We got prepare.
It makes me hot, the glasses. It makes me hot. That's why I have them all.
Oh, okay. Alright. We need to move this over. Make sure y'all always use your tray, right? Okay, we're gonna pour.
Because we don't know what's gonna happen.
Kinsley, I need you to pour water in this up to the 100 milliliter.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I can feel it.
Then we're gonna add their liquid soap here.
Hey, I did it. To the 100 wind.
Ooh.
It's right there.
Oh.
Okay, then up to the 100.
Make sure you get all the soap out of the package. Can you go give me a hand towel, please?
Yeah.
Let's see. Prepare your makeshift gas generator. Okay.
Is this good?
This is going to require this flask. It's going to require this one with the, how many holes are in there, Kinsley?
1.
Okay, yep. So hold that.
That one has 2.
And we're going to get this little tube. Okay. And then.
If you don't know how to cut as an adult, you don't want to cut yourself.
Definitely don't want to cut yourself.
One time I did it before.
Okay.
What is this? What is this?
Well, we're gonna show everybody in a second what that little stopper does. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. All right, we're gonna put this little tube in the top of this stopper.
In the top.
We're going to put this other end.
There. Put it in the top.
Good.
There. It's in
This side.
there. Oh.
This is the top side. See how it's bigger, smaller? So we're going to put this in there.
Put it in the bigger side.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, now we're going to take our funnel. Kinsley, take our funnel.
Yeah.
Put that in there. Put the funnel in there. Now, what I need you to do is pour this water into the funnel.
Okay.
Okay. So now, sodium. So now we have to get the sodium hydrogen sulfate. It's NaHSO4. Where is that in our package? Here it is. Oh, interesting. Okay. So now, take the funnel out.
What?
Take the funnel out.
This?
Yep, take it out.
Okay.
Alright, now what you're going to do is pour this bottle into the flask.
This?
Yep.
Okay.
Careful, careful, careful. Pour it all in there. Make sure it all goes in. Alright, now you see how it says to mix the solution by sort of swirling the flask?
The fill don't work in, but I can't get it out.
Is it stuck?
Don't wake up quickly.
That's not like a button. That's a bummer. It's all sort of stuck. Pour it in. That helped, but it's still stuck to the inside of the bottle, ain't it? Let's see. That helped. Still.
Sometimes it might be stuck in there.
Yeah. Too late?
Because sometimes it might be stuck in there.
Yeah. Sometimes it's really stuck in there.
It's all white in there. I saw just a big chunk come in.
Good.
It was just a big chunk.
There's still more in there, but geez. How do they expect you to get it out? So, put the bottle in there, squeeze to break it out, it's slowly coming out. Okay, all right, next step. Okay, so we mix the solution, spin it, okay?
With what?
With your hand, grab it like this, and you're gonna go like that. Okay, we're gonna take the yellow one, 2 big spoons.
I'm still mixing it.
Okay,
Ah.
mix.
Kind of got on my hand.
All right, we're gonna put 2 big spoons. Make sure you work over your tray.
Yeah, because I feel some in it. I don't know, taste out.
Yeah. What is going on?
Could you give me the hand towel?
That's why you're supposed to be wearing your plastic gloves. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Well, there's literally something in here.
Feel it?
Yeah. Jeez. Okay. Alright, now it says to pour 2
did it over
Oh, what's it doing? It's reacting. Okay. Now, 3 magnesium strips.
It's going up so fast. It's going up.
Alright, so it's requiring 3 magnesium strips. So you're going to put all 3 of these in there.
Okay, do I do it
Put
now?
that there.
Do I do it now?
Yep, drop it in.
1,
Drop it in. Drop them all in.
2, 3.
Okay, and it says hydrogen gas is released, filling the soap bubbles. So we're going to put this little plug in.
Oh, that's good.
Okay, now it should force gas. Go in there. Oh, look. See? So the combination's reacting, forcing gas. Go through the tube. And what's it doing? Putting soap bubbles over there.
Yeah. Do you hear it?
Huh?
I can hear it popping.
You can hear
The
it popping?
bubble.
Yeah. Well, that's cool. That's real cool. Alright. Now, after 1 minute goes by, it says try to ignite the foam and see what happens. Swirl the flask or add more magnesium strips to repeat the experiment. So we're going to light another stick on fire, and then I don't see any foam.
Soup.
Foam is composed of bubbles. Bubbles of most of the foams you come across in everyday life are filled with carbon dioxide, CO2, such as the foam in carbonated drink, or a mixture of gases, ordinary air, such as the foam in a bathtub. Neither air nor carbon dioxide burn. That is, the oxygen O2 in the air that does not react with the other component of the air, and carbon dioxide, CO2, is even used in some fire extinguishers to the opposite effect, but not all gases are quite so tame. Hydrogen gas, H2, loves to react with oxygen, O2, and even a tiny spark can ignite this reaction. In other words, hydrogen gas burns really well. Oh, look. So what's happening?
The bubbles are going for the tube.
The foam bubbles is pushing all the air out of the tube. And that's those air bubbles we see. Now it looks like it's shooting the foam over. Shooting the foam over. Let's see here. Let's see if we can get up close and see that foam. See the foam going through? The foam is shooting through.
Hi.
Watch your experiment. Always keep your eyes on it.
That's about to be to the end of the tail.
I'm curious what's going to happen when the foam hits the water. Is it going to rise to the top?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's almost there. It's going for the tube.
See the air pushing out. See all the air bubbles?
Yeah.
Okay, now the foam looks like it's starting to hit. See any foam coming out?
No.
No? I think there's some foam on top. Isn't there some foam on top? There's a little bit of foam. A little bit of foam. Uh-oh. There we go. So what's it doing? Is it still?
There's still bubbles. There's still bubbles.
Still bubbles. It said I think it could take up to a minute or two. Oh, okay. So while that's doing that, let's see. What do we got here? Try to ignite the foam and see what happens. It's still pushing a lot of foam. Make sure you put all the caps back on, Kinsley. Grab the other caps, put these caps on. I'm gonna clean up a little bit while that's still doing its thing over there.
Could you hear that?
I did hear that.
Me not closing it.
I think you did it. That's all you do, so put the other one on. Foil. Okay, where's the other?
Okay, I returned the swatch.
Alright, well. It's not really foaming real well.
What left the other? What left all the other bubbles behind?
Alright, kids, I don't recommend this at home. Watch out, Kinsley. Let's see what happens if
Over here. Over here. Okay, good. Nothing happened.
we...
What's going to happen? Now it's starting to go.
Alright, I think that's about it. We tried igniting the bubbles. They didn't really light, didn't really burn. I'm not for sure. So until next time, friends, we'll see you on Kinsley's YouTube channel. Say see you later.
See you later, bye.
Get off.